Although it may seem that only the abdominal area is moving at times, belly dancing involves several other parts of the body as well. A dancer must isolate major muscle groups and work them in isolation or in opposition to other parts of the body. Many people have discovered the health benefits of belly dancing, though always check with your health practitioner before starting this or any other type of exercise. Besides providing a fun, low-impact workout, belly dance strengthens and intones the entire body while developing balance and grace. Belly dancing also improves flexibility of the hips and the back, as well as increases core strength. Our spinal column contains many ligaments and bones, more than any other part of the body. Joined by cartilage and ligaments, almost every movement of the torso depends on its function, strength and flexibility. Muscle groups that attach themselves to the ligaments and the vertebrae create movement in the trunk and the pelvis area. Belly dance tones these muscles. During the upcoming lesson plans, we will start to look at the lower movements, such as the hip circles, hip bumps, twists, eights and shimmies, putting the lower back and hips through full range of repetitive and gentle movement. The names of these movements are descriptive, and you may hear them referred to differently by different belly dance teachers. There is no wrong or right title for any of these movements. Belly dancing is dynamic and innovative. The movements of belly dancing are ever-changing, and variations are constantly growing from these basic moves. So, let's get started.